Today is the Iowa Caucus, the first contest in the 2020 presidential election. You might be wondering, what is a caucus anyway? Is it just another word for an election? Well, a caucus is a type of election, but it's not the kind you're probably familiar with, where you line up at a voting booth or mail in your ballot. A caucus is a lot different. Here's how it goes down. Registered members of a party gather somewhere like an elementary school cafeteria or a union hall or a church basement. Some people know who they're supporting already, but many don't. And some people are there not just to vote, but to persuade others to back their favorite candidate. Instead of an orderly, quiet process with people lined up to enter private voting booths, there's a discussion and debate among the caucus goers. And rather than casting a ballot in secret and going home, caucus goers have to spend a bunch of time together, debating and discussing. The first thing that happens is that people physically move to the area designated for their chosen candidate, showing their support publicly. You're also allowed to stay in an uncommitted area if your mind's not made up yet. After the first sorting, the caucus organizers calculate the support for each candidate, and then caucus goers have a chance to realign, going to a new candidate or leaving the uncommitted section. There's discussion and argument and cajoling as the dedicated supporters of each candidate try to persuade people to join them. Once all the aligning and realigning has gone on, each caucus goer turns in a card showing who they support, and those cards are counted up to determine who wins, the same as if secret ballots had been cast. It's a pretty strange voting process to most people. Your vote is public, it takes up a lot of time, and there's argument and persuasion happening right there in the room. But that's what's going on all over Iowa today to begin deciding who gets the Democratic nomination.